Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Thursday, March 12th. Seeing some cloudy skies out there this morning. We did see a little bit of some rain showers across the Maryland eastern shore. Those showers did stay north of Wallops, so I didn't see any rainfall here, but I'm sure some of you did see those showers as you were driving in if you live up that way. We are going to be seeing continued overcast skies today and into tonight, and then seeing some periods of moderate to briefly heavy rainfall as we go into the pre-dawn hours of tomorrow. Take a quick look at our surface analysis. Though got a weak disturbance here across the Carolinas. That's going to help to reinforce an easterly flow today. Also gave us the energy for those spotty showers north of the area. Also seeing a large area of showers and storms off the coast associated with it as well. We are going to see easterly flow increase, and that is going to continue our cloudy skies, possibly even bringing in some low cloudiness once we get into the mid to late afternoon period as well. Taking a look at our satellite, there you see this large area of cloudiness stretching across much of central Virginia. It is cleared out a bit across the Tidewater, but it is also extending across the much of the Delmarva, and it does look like we are going to continue to see this throughout the day, not really seeing any signs of it dissipating, and like I said, could be seeing some of that low cloudiness develop later today and into tonight as well. Taking a brief look at our upper level winds this morning, we are seeing those easterly winds near the surface and up to 1,000 feet. Then they are shifting a little more westerly through 6,000 feet and at 15 knots, increasing to around 30 knots above there and remaining around that 30 knot level throughout the remainder of the column up to 25,000 feet. Seeing a freezing level this morning just above 8,000 feet. Taking a look at our forecast, going to be looking at a high of around 59 degrees. A little bit of a tricky high today. If we do get that low clouds rolling in a little sooner, we could be seeing those temperatures struggle to even get up to that, depending on the exact wind direction as well. But we will be seeing those easterly winds be 8 to 13 knots throughout much of the day today. They will weaken briefly, it looks like, around sunset before they shift more southeasterly ahead of the next front that's going to be approaching the area. We are going to see an early low temperature tonight of around 52 degrees, and then once those winds shift southeasterly, those temperatures will slowly rise throughout the overnight period. We will see those winds slowly increase as well, becoming 12 to 17 knots and gusty by around sunrise tomorrow morning from the south as we get those rain showers. It does look like our best chance of seeing rain is going to be between about 4 and 8 a.m. Can't rule out a sprinkle after about 2 a.m. And it does look like we're going to see some pretty moderate rainfall with this across much of the Delmarva, especially the northern two-thirds of it here, including here at Wallops. We are going to be seeing even a slight chance of a thunderstorm, as there is going to be some elevated instability as this system rolls through. Taking a look at our terminal forecast today, we're currently seeing an overcast around 3,500 feet. That should continue throughout the rest of the morning hours, then seeing those ceilings lower to around 2,500 feet, and then once we get towards the late afternoon period, seeing those chances of some clouds near 500 feet develop, and then that will continue into this evening, continuing to see that ceiling around 4,000 feet overnight, and maybe even down to 500 feet if we get into any heavier rain in the pre-dawn hours of tomorrow. Seeing tides normal still along the Delmarva Atlantic coast this morning. Let's take a quick look at some weather models here, taking a first look at our short-term model just to show how those showers will be rolling through. Like I said, remaining dry throughout the day today with just those cloudy conditions. As we get towards midnight, we'll start to see that system bring some rainfall to western Virginia, and that will approach our area about after 2 a.m. Like I said, can't rule out a sprinkle between 2 and 4 a.m., but the bulk of the rainfall will arrive after 4 a.m., and seeing those periods of some moderate and briefly heavy rain as well, especially the farther north you go on the Delmarva. Can't rule out a rumble of thunder as well. It does look like we are going to be carrying a 20% chance of seeing a thunderstorm here tomorrow morning. It does look like most of the rain will be out of the area by 8, with some showers lingering between about 8 and 10, and then still going to be running a slight chance of a shower after that, but we should be seeing skies clear as we go into later portions of Friday. Also going to be seeing those winds remain westerly to southwesterly to give us some pretty warm temperatures tomorrow. Taking a look at our extended model here, there's that system that's going to roll through tomorrow morning. Behind it, we will be seeing some high pressure moving to the area for Friday evening, helping to reduce the cloudiness and give us a partly cloudy and seasonable day for Saturday. So Saturday is looking fairly nice. Temperatures in the mid 50s with under partly cloudy skies. And as we go into Saturday evening, we'll see clouds increase as this next system approaches the area. Models really do not have a good handle on this system for Sunday. It is going to mainly pass south of the Delmarva, but some models are bringing just some light showers for mainly Sunday morning, extending north, but others models keep us dry, so only going to be looking at a 15 to 20% chance right now of some light sprinkles for the Sunday morning time frame. As we go on early next week, going to see high pressure settle across the northeast. That'll bring us some more seasonable and dry conditions for at least Monday. And then as we go into Tuesday, there's a lot of disagreement in the models about how this next rain system will develop. The European model here has this weak system developing off the Carolina coast, giving us some rain, while the GFS model does have more of a front moving through that will bring us the rain. So, but does look like we will be seeing some rain on Tuesday. It's just the matter of what kind of system brings us that rain is going to be the question. As we go in the middle of next week, going to see things dry out briefly with some high pressure settling across the southeast, and then we'll see rain return towards the end of next week. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast, cloudy today with a high of 59. We're going to see that early low of 52 tonight. Tomorrow we're going to see those showers and thunderstorms possible for the morning period, and then we'll see those clouds decrease once we get to the afternoon. Some good westerly flow will help to give us temperature all the way up to 73 degrees, so close to 15 to 20 degrees above normal for our high tomorrow. Saturday is looking much more seasonable, temperature of 56 degrees under partly cloudy skies. Then Sunday could see some sprinkles in the morning, mainly for areas south of Wallops, it looks like. But we will be seeing some cooler temperatures with a high of 48. Seasonable conditions return for Monday with mostly cloudy skies, giving us a high of only 51, low of 38. And then Tuesday we will be seeing some showers across the region with a high of 59. Does look like a pretty good chance of seeing some rain on Tuesday, with Wednesday returning to a very beautiful seasonable day under partly cloudy skies and a high into the mid to upper 50s. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.